One Slaburday video at a time, bro. Woo, we made it. I scooped up a bunch of mud and plywood for some reason. I gotta put this down and clean it off. We still have the cookie on from our last Slaburday video. Marco, come get your cookie. You gotta make your wood print. This is a test. Are you watching, Marco? Okay, we're gonna put this down, move that, clean it up, pick it back up, throw it on the sawmill. Cold out. So if you didn't watch last week's Slaburday on Saturday, this is the very bottom cookie left from what we sliced up. Go check it out. All right, this is a first for us. The wheels, I guess, are a little too frosty and she's not getting grip on the angle iron, I guess it is. So I'm gonna have to go get a blowtorch maybe and clean out the V wheel. It's a V wheel that runs on the angle iron, and it just, I think there's sawdust in there, it's frozen, and it's basically just turned into ice. So thank you, winter, making everything more enjoyable. All right, we got the V wheels unclogged. They were horribly clogged with basically cement. Blowtorch, hammer, flathead screwdriver, we got her done. We're gonna put the stump on here now. Wish me luck. Let's not slip it off the forks. All right, this is a black locust chunk of wood, we'll call it. I'll give you a little story on this. A tree service company local to me that we work with, Ashley's Tree Service, who does like the Toronto area, Mississauga, Burlington, Brampton. And this is literally, definitely in my life, the biggest black locust trunk that I've ever seen. Most of the black locust we see are like maybe this, and a lot of the trees you see are like that around here. So this is massive. This is really, really big. It's super, super heavy wood, and it is typically hollow in the center. So this is one reason we're cutting cookies out of it, not necessarily slabs. It's also very short. It's got some really cool burls on here that I've just noticed. I didn't even notice that before. It is covered in snow, but this was a fresh removal. We just got it, so I know there's nothing hiding behind the snow. There's no rocks or anything like that, so we don't really have to clean it off. We've got it screwed down, and we're going to tension the blade. I've left the same blade on from the last one, and usually I like to do my first cut. I inspect the cut. If it's flat, I keep cutting. If it's a little bit wavy or it's something is awry, I will then switch the blade, put a new one on. So we'll see what we're going to do. We're going to tension the blade. And big shout out to Ashley's Tree Service as well as all the other tree services we work with. Virtually everything you see is urban salvage. This stuff has lived its life. It's being cut down, and instead of being turned into firewood, chips, or even just dumped into a pile somewhere, these guys call me up, and we're able to get it, mill it up, dry the lumber, and provide it to you guys. So thanks for watching. Thanks for all of you too for supporting us. It's pretty awesome. We're super pumped, and we're out here in a blizzard right now making this video for you. Yesterday it was t-shirt weather. I was having margaritas in the sunshine. Oh man, it was a good day. Let's see what's inside this chunk of wood. Blade. Faster. All right, we decided 3 inches, way too skinny, 3.5 too skinny, 4 too skinny. We went with 4 1/4. We'll see what this one looks like. It's when the cookies are so big, they're just in proportion. You know, a 1 inch or 2 inch thick cookie is just paper thin when you're looking at this size. So let's go. We're going to engage the blade, make some yellow sawdust. Boop, boop. There's trees growing inside this tree. I love the grain that it has in locust. Yeah, this is one of the heaviest, hardest woods that grows in North America. All right, let's talk blade guides now. This is a blade guide. Now it's adjustable. It can slide in and out on my sawmill. And as we've gone down, we've actually gotten a bit skinnier, so I'm going to adjust it in about 12 inches. And something that a lot of people don't actually know is that this blade guide is actually pushing down on the blade about, with wheels this size, about a 1/4 inch, maybe a little bit less, 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 inch. So it's really, as the name implies, guiding the blade. So I'm just going to adjust it now in a little bit closer, something like that. And then I can just lock it down. And now it's going to guide a little bit better. Slaburday Saturday was a success, folks. Super happy. The sawmill cut everything flat. I did not even have to put a new blade on there. It's always a great day when we go through one blade to cut one stump. This was the biggest black locust tree that I've ever seen locally. Thank you to Ashley Tree Service from Toronto, Ontario for providing us this urban salvage log instead of just dumping it into a pile, cutting in the firewood. Thank you so much, Ashley. I know you see the value in the trees that you take down, and it really, really shows. Everyone, thanks so much for watching. We're going to come right back at you next Saturday with a new Slaburday on Saturday video. Until then, of course, make it a great one. See ya.